Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we are not going to solve any problem. Today I'm just going to talk like I guess today is Monday, so yesterday no videos. I know, man. So yesterday what happened? I was not little busy. I was quite busy, and I got a seriously headache. A serious headache. I literally got. So because of that, and I'm working on one project as well. So you will definitely wanna see. I will just give you a quick hint. So like I'm working on a website for this our channel code crossing. So I'm working for this, and if you want to see like how it's looking, so like I don't know, like I just only work for my might be half an hour, 1 hour, half an hour, like 1 hour. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's just something like that. So yesterday the productivity is almost like 10%. I don't know. I don't know whether I call it 10 or 1%. And today even as well, like I just did some lead code problems. Rest, rest to the time. I'm just laying on my bed, chilling, watching Netflix like that. Not Netflix, pirated movies. And what else? Yeah, that's the whole thing I'm doing. Let me just show you like what I'm writing over here. So if you see, this is the basic one. So like I just made a like home page starting one. So if I run this, I run on my server, and you will see over here it's taking a little bit of time. I think because I'm downloading something over there. So like that's the only like home page, like just upside navigation bar and content side. And someone like I work on the footer as well. So if I show you, I'm working, man. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing my best. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's my footer. So and that's my navigation bar, and that's my main bar. So anyway, like this is that gonna how it look. So basically, like how it happened, like I will get my logo over here, and the home in the about section. I don't know, like should I put the about section? In the contact section, I can put my contact details, like if you want to contact with me, or like I will create one something like TG group. I don't know. If you say like I will, I don't. No, 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 no. I don't create a TG group, something like that. It's a waste of time, man. Just focus on your studies. That's the only thing. That's the main thing, bro. Okay. How should I close it, man? Fuck it up. Alright. So guys, what else do we gonna talk today? So I don't know. What should I talk? Because like I'm a little bit excited, and things will go more little bit better. So like instead of you will see my this shit background, you will now see me using green screens. Yeah, I'm thinking to move a little bit more forward. Thing is like I will work hard, so hard, so that I can give you the best. So the thing is like I'm thinking like that. Let's say like for example, if you're stuck in a problem, so you don't have to go into my channel and search any video. Instead of this, what I will do, I will create my website. Okay, so I will create the website. So what will happen, open your lead code on one tab, and on one tab the code crossing website. Okay, so what will happen, like let's say if you're stuck in some problem, so like let's say if you search something over here in the search bar in lead codes. Similarly, I will work on this one, my search bar, and whatever the problem you will face, just type its number or just type the problem name. You will get that video link directly over there. Okay, and the video link and the code as well. So I will comment that code, like I will make it more better way, like in which I will explain you, like the similar way you can find the coding format as well. So that's the thing I'm thinking about. And like the website is not totally about only data structure and algorithms. It will be more about like more about as well of projects. We work on something web developments, androids. My focus is to teach you guys androids, because like web development project you can find easily on the YouTube and even on the internet. The thing is like I want to work, like I'm working on android, not working now, but yeah, I just start doing. So I will teach you like how to make a very simple application, so that you can flex in front of your friend, and a little bit more crazy things. And we work on like good projects, like what's say Facebook clone, Instagram clone. I'm thinking like that. I will gonna do that, those things as well. But right now things will go change. You will see, you will definitely gonna see. And I don't have any more words to talk with you because I don't know. And guys, thank you very much. Those who subscribe and those who did not subscribe, don't worry, man. It's all up to you. If you want to subscribe, then you will, your choice. Otherwise, it's no worry. It's not a point. Just search on any video on the YouTube. You will find. You will hopefully find my YouTube video in the top section or anywhere, whatever. So, guys, what else? What else? Yeah, man, I have to work. I will work on lead code very hard now. So I will create best videos, and I'll get more better videos than those. Okay. So I'm thinking like something like good intro. I don't know. You suggest me like if I make a intro for the video, and I don't even know like whether you will watch this uh shitty video. Like I don't know. Anyways, guys. So I think like I just today talk about so much this term. I don't know. Always I don't know. But like right now when I'm speaking with you, I don't have any content to share with you. The thing is like things are going quite well, and things are going well. That's the thing. There is nothing like quite well. Things are going either good or either bad. So they are going well. They're doing good. Alright. So. mm what else, so guys, I'm thinking like what if I make a DSA course. DSA course means like I will teach you all the basic things like stacks, array, strings, like the everything. I will teach you all the basics so that you can work. I will try my best to do. If I think, because like for example, if I start working on them, then I will just only quit when it's go complete. Let's say like I'm working on lead code, so I will only quit when I upload all the videos. Like lead code problems never stop, but still like first of all the target is to finish at least 1,000, then 2,000. Things will go. And from tomorrow onwards, I will perform my best, so you will get the best things. And guys, what else? I have to shave my beard as well. Yeah, I don't shave, I just trim them. What else? Again now. What else again? I'm just talking about these words again so many times. What else? All right. Guys, these things I'm thinking about. Like I will definitely want to work on project. I will teach you the projects, the best one. Okay. And in the very easiest way. So like if you don't even know anything, just watch the project. You will definitely want to make it. You will definitely want to understand what the thing happened. Okay. That's why in that way, like you will, like when I teach you the lead code problems, like you will understand like what this line of code totally means, why we are writing this. Similarly in the project as well, I will teach you like why we are putting this line. So that's how I'm thinking to do projects. That's why I'm taking a little bit time. And when working on the project, I need something like 2-3 days to make a video, to edit it, because like project videos might be a 2 hour long, might be a 4 hour long, might be a half an hour long. It depends like on which project I'm working. And if I work on this is DSS, or like stacks, array, strings, all other things, DP, recursion, these are the most important things, recursion and DP. If you understand these both the things, then like you are the champ. Okay. And what else? Binary search, linear search. Linear search come in arrays. Okay, I think so. Okay. And what else left? Q. What else left? Q. And then stack. Hash map is very important as well. This is very important. Linked list. I think I'm going a little bit down so you can't see what I'm typing over here. So let me just make it over here. And I'm thinking like to get one new screen, so that using two screens, which is much good. Let's see. Let me just get some pocket money, something like that. Then I will definitely gonna do it. Linked list. And what else? What else we left? I talk about Q. No, I don't have to. Yeah, I talk about Q over there. It's hash map, heap, hash map and heap together. Okay. Anything, guys? Just to remind me. Graph, tree, or tree all types, binary tree, and what else? Pre-order, post-order, reversal, everything. Like in the tree, everything will be included. So like these are the most important topics you will see in your interviews. The most things, like important things are DP, recursion, hash map and heap, graph and tree. These are like, if you understand these things, then stack, arrays, strings, like these are the, like they're just children. So like you just have to solve the problem. So like you know the way to solve a problem multiple ways. Like once you are like, let's say you are solving some arrays problem. Okay, let's say I told you to I told you to print Fibonacci. Okay, so I told you to print Fibonacci. So what will happen? Like you, like as usual, you will use the brute force attack. Brute force attack means like you just go for the for loop. But if you know recursion, then you will apply recursion to solve this problem. But if you know DP, so in using DP you can use memoization as well. Okay, and if you know little bit more, then you can solve it using tabulation. So you know, like you can solve in more approaches just single problem. That's why, so the way I will teach, I will not starting with arrays and string like that, because I will just give you idea like what they mean. These arrays and strings I will teach you in the later on, because like, so to solve this problem, if you understand these things, then you will definitely gonna solve this problem. You know what I mean? Let's just say, for example, if I want to teach you calculus, for teaching you calculus, I have to teach you the basics of trigonometry and all that, and algebra. So so if you know these, if I just directly teach you calculus and then after I will teach you trigonometry and algebra, then it's a stupid thing, because you don't know, like I'm just teaching calculus, you don't know like what the thing is going. You know what I mean? So but if you know the basics, like these are the these are the powers to solve the calculus problem. So that's how similarly, like when you know DP and recursion, you can solve arrays problem in multiple way. That's the thing. All right, guys, and okay, these are my like right now plans. Right now I will finish this project in till today. Hopefully I will work overnight. Let's say I'm thinking to work overnight and build this a basic, at least something, a good website. So like where I can post my, because like some of them you come from the lead code discussion. So what if like the problem in lead code discussion is like if you post your solution over there, then I don't know where it will go. So it is not present in the post area, because once you are posting too many post solutions, then the post getting updated by time, and it's some like but it remain in the database, but you can't see it because there is no scroll down option or see more option, something like that. So that's what I'm thinking, like the complete solution I will put it over there as well, so that you either you want to go on the directly video, like, or for example you are revising something, so you don't have to watch the video again, you just simply watch the code and read the comments, and I give us something like overview, so you just get idea like, okay, yeah, I just got it. So how we gonna solve this problem? That's what I'm thinking. Things are like, dreams are big, the dreams are very good. Thing is like, I have to work hard. Only thing stops is easiness, laziness, something called procrastination. Like I don't procrastinate too much now, little bit, just only like 1%, but still there is 1%. So we have to make it 0%. Okay, so yeah, that's the whole thing. That so guys, that's the plan, and it will gonna work from today, or like today, like just after finishing this video, after posting this video, I will start working on thing now. Yeah, that's the thing. All right, so that's all for this video. I think this video is becoming very lengthier, and I just want to say thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. And ladies and gentlemen, if you like something over here, like if you like my channel, then do hit subscribe, because it little bit motivates me, and if you like the video, then my motivation is too high. Believe me, it's too high. And thank you very much for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, just believe on me, I really love you, man. That's why I work on this.